started Rucklidge Law 9 years ago, and historically I've worked in family law for the last 26, 27 years. I became quite disheartened with law and working for a traditional law firm. I felt quite restricted in terms of working hours, the flexibility that would allow for my family, and I felt it was unnecessary, a lot of the hoops we had to jump through. I felt fee targets were oppressive. I also disliked the emphasis on increasing fee targets and reducing client service and customer care. So I left law altogether. And I left law for about 3 years and set up a before and after school club from home. Crikey, lawyer to a childminder is a bit of a change. However, when I moved away, I realised that I think a lot of the stress was about the working environment, was about sticking to particular working hours or working ridiculously long hours for not a great salary, to be honest, considering all the money I'd invested in training and all the years I'd spent in education to qualify. I decided to return to law after about 3 years, but rather than go back to employment, I decided to set up on my own. It's the best thing I've ever done. Firstly, I realised that a lot of the expectations of a traditional law firm were wholly unnecessary. I also realised that clients were more concerned about your expertise and your care and attention than they were about all the expensive overheads. And then I grew accidentally. Can't claim it was by design. I met wonderful friend and solicitor Angela Lally through networking, and we became good friends. She then left her partnership and set up as a consultant and was looking for other consultancy work. So we gave it a go, and yeah, it was the best thing we ever did. So from there, I approached friends, to be honest, people that I knew and trusted, and people that I knew would love this way of working, the freedom that it provides, the better income it provides, working fewer hours. It's a no-brainer, to be honest.